Díoghaibh is Mr. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn how to say holidays or vacation in Irish. Saoire, saoire. Holiday or vacation, saoire. You will also hear lá saoire, a one-day holiday. Lá saoire. Lá means day. And also léitheanta saoire. Léitheanta saoire. Léitheanta saoire. Holidays. Léitheanta are days. Both saoire and léitheanta saoire can be used interchangeably. Now, let's say he's on holidays or he's on vacation. Tá sé ar saoire. Tá sé ar saoire. Tá sé ar saoire. Or tá sé ar léitheanta saoire. Tá sé ar léitheanta saoire. Tá sé ar léitheanta saoire. He's on holidays. Do you want to learn Irish online with the help of video lessons, quizzes, and frequent online lessons? Why not try out our new membership plan at www.bitesize.irish.